Good day everyone. This is my video presentation about conditional statement, Lab 6. Conditional statement. Guided Lab 1. Conditional statement with input validation. Instruction. Write a program that number 1. Ask the user to input their age. Number 2. The program should check if the input is a valid age between 0 and 120. If it is not, an error message should be displayed and the program should be excited. Number 3. If the age is valid, ask if the user is citizen to the country. True or false. Number 4. If the user is citizen and 18 years older, print you are eligible to vote. If the user is not citizen, print you are not eligible to vote. Number 5. If the user younger than 18, print you are not eligible to vote. Copy the following code to implement the basic program to solve the problem above. The Java program uses the scanner class to take user input for age and citizenship. Step 1 and 2. Input and validation. The program promotes the user to enter their age. It then validates the input, ensuring the age between 0 and 120. If the age is outside this range, an error message is displayed. Step 3. The program asks the user if they are citizen, true or false. Step 4. The program checks the user age and citizenship status to determine voting eligible. If the user is citizen and their age is 18 or older, a message indicates eligibility to vote is printed. Otherwise, if not a citizen or under 18, a message indicating ineligibility to vote is printed. So that the challenge Lab 1. Modify the program so that if the user is not citizen and less than 18 years old, it prints you are too young and not citizen, so you cannot vote. Below unexpected output of the program. Expected output. This is the output if you run your program. So that this is a guided Lab 2. If else, if leader with input validation and feedback. Instruction. Write Java program that ask the user, number 1, ask the user to input score between 0 and 100. Number 2, check if the input is valid. If the score is not between 0 and 100, print invalid score. Number 3, if the score is valid, to use an if else if leader to display the grade and personalize. This is the feedback. Scanner class to take the numerical input representing a student score 0 to 100. It then validates the input to ensure it's within the acceptable range. If the score is valid, it determines the responding letter's grade, A or to F, and provide feedback based on the predefined score range. Step 1. Input. The program promotes the user to enter their score. Step 2. Validation. It checks the score between 0 to 100. Exclusive if not, print to error message. Step 3. Grade determination and feedback. A series of if, else, if statement determine the grade based on the score. 90 and above grade A, excellent work. 80 to 89 grade B, good job. 70 to 79 grade C, you pass but there room for improvement. 60 to 69 grade D, you need to work harder. Below 60 grade F, field consider seeking help. Input close the scanner to release system resource.